When you have a canvas full of videos and images, it won't take long before you get the urge to make them all line up neatly. That's not a new thing, many applications allow you to do that, but they all do it slightly differently. So, when I set out to implement aligning and snapping in the Rich Video Editor, I had to decide which application to mimic, and I decided to copy none of them. Or maybe all of them. I mixed a lot of things that are already out there and created something new out of it. Will it work? I don't know. But if you want to know, you can give it a try yourself. I'm about to show you how it all works, but the main challenge of experimenting with UI design is that it's hard to know if the UI will be intuitive to people. Sure, you understand how it works after I've explained it, but that's not the real test. If you truly want the opportunity to yell at me for how foolish I was to come up with my own UI design, you should give it a go right now. The clip you see here is not centered. That's obvious. It's also foreshadowing, because I'm going to center it. With the clip selected, I switch to alignment mode. The various lines allow you to align the clip. Just hover over them to get a preview. Once you find the one you like, click on it, and the clip will stay there. In this case, I'll click on the point in the center of the canvas. Of course, we can also align clips to other clips. I mean, these two clips would look much better if the bottoms were aligned. So, I select the clip I want to move and I switch to alignment mode. And then I hover over the bottom of the other clip. That looks good to me, so I click and it's done. Alignment mode automatically aligns the sides that are closest together, but that's not always what you want. Here, for example, I want to align the right side of the glass with the right side of the bottle, but that's not what happens. The left side of the glass is aligned with the right side of the bottle because that side is closer. To remedy this, I move the glass to just about where I want it to be, and then I snap it into place. This is a bit of a mess. What I want it to look like is this. First, I'll take care of the background by snapping it to the top left. It's not the right size though, but since I'm in alignment mode, if I resize it, it'll snap. Now I can center the moon using the background. First I move it to just about where I want it to be, then I snap it into place. Then I move the plane to just where I want it to be, and I have nothing to snap it to. There's no other clip here, we're looking at the black of the canvas. So, what I'll do, I'll select the background, temporarily snap it to the right, then I select the plane, center it, and then I select the background again and snap it back to the left. Easy peasy. That's how you align clips in the Rich Video Editor. It is still very much an experimental feature. I think it works well so far, but you know how it is with these things. Only when you've been using them for a while will you run into all the small annoyances that make you wish you were on a higher floor so you could have a more satisfying smash when you throw your computer out of the window. So, why don't you give it a try? Let me know how it goes.